The average professional spends 3 hours creating a 10-slide presentation. These AI tools do it in 3 minutes. Here are the 10 best, ranked by quality and speed. Gamma generates entire presentations from a one-sentence prompt. The designs are modern, the layouts are smart, and it supports interactive elements that PowerPoint can't match. Tome excels at narrative presentations. It structures your content as a story arc with visual transitions, perfect for investor pitches and client proposals. Beautiful.ai enforces good design automatically. Every element snaps to a professional layout. Slides AI works inside Google Slides, adding AI to your existing workflow. Rounding out the list, Pitch, SlideBean, Presentations.ai, Dectopus, Prezo, and SendSteps. Each has a unique strength. I'll show you which one fits your use case. Which AI presentation tool will you try first? Comment below. Subscribe for the head-to-head comparison video where I build the same pitch deck in all 10 tools.